Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Code with Air. Today I'm going to show you how to follow the line with your Mindstorms kit or your robot. My robot is named Tricky. So first you got to open your Mindstorms app. Mine is already opened. And then you will go to, when you open your Mindstorms app, you will see a hub icon. Click on that, you follow the instructions that you will see on your screen. So after that's connected, let's code. Okay, so first I'm going to go to events. When program starts, I'm going to go to movement for the motors. So first I'll do start moving straight. And this block means it's basically their directions up till minus 100 and minus 100 and 100. And you can go straight, left, right. This block I'm going to make information. I'm going to tell you more information for you on my other app, which is the whiteboard app. So here I'm going to show you what is that block going to do. So basically it has a direction straight, right, and left. So first, straight makes 0 and right is 1, or it can be till 100. Now for and left it can be it can be minus 1 to minus 100. So 1 to minus 100. So in this basically from straight it's going to go left or right. It basically that can only be. And then so that's the only thing that can be for the start moving straight block. So let's go back to the LEGO Mindstorms app, and for now I want to make it go straight 0. And then we have to go to the variables. Don't connect your start moving straight block right now. First we go to set. First you have to I already made my variable. You got to make a variable by clicking the make a variable block. You can make a name target, or target is basically a good name. And then go to variables again and drag another set your target block, that the first variable that you made. But now you have to make another one. I've already made that one. I've named it turn. And then you can connect your start straight moving block on top of the on the bottom of your code that you did after the variables. So you put it to 0 for now, and then you have to set movement motors A and B. That's what's going to happen is you can change your motors for whatever your wheels are going to point, or how it's going to be. I'm going to put mine is B and A, but yours will be different, of course. So now we got to go to the control blocks, and we got to drag out the forever loop, and then we drag from the start moving straight block inside the forever loop, and then we go to operators. We drag out the minus sign block, and we go to sensors. We drag out the reflect light. Now I'll tell you what does this reflect light block mean. The reflect light means that basically, example, if it sees a dark color, it'll say a low number. And if it sees a light color, it'll a higher number. It'll say on your big area next to your hub sign. It'll be like telling you the motor direction and your if you have this the sensor of the distance sensor and the color sensor. And then after that, you got to go again to operators, and then drag out the times block. Then drag this one to the second hole on the times area. And then go to variables, and then you will see two oval shapes kind of blocks. So you drag target out, or whatever you name you did. And then you drag your second variable, which I return, and then drag it to your first hole. And then the target block that I did on the last hole. So now we have to drag the full code into the start moving straight block. And the set target to, mine was 60, mine is 60. And yours is not going to be 60. Maybe it would be the same, but you got to check on the line that you made. So mine was 60. Type that on in. Okay, now for the turn is for the corrections. Example, if it goes out of the line. So that's why we do corrections by turn. So we delete that, delete the 0, cancel the 0. And then I'm going to type in 5. Maybe you could, it's this, basically it's not only 5 sometimes, it's different numbers. You can just play around with the numbers. Okay, pretty much that's, go to movement again, and we gotta drag out the set movement speed and drag it on top of the forever loop. And 50 is going to be too fast, I think, but I'm going to try that out. If it's too fast, then I can just change it. So I think basically that's pretty much it. Let's go and try it out. As you can see, my robot is following the line. Isn't it awesome? You can try yours out too. So we've already tried the robot follow the line. So now I'm going to tell you more about the formula, the forever loop, start moving, turn times reflected light minus target. So I'm going to go to my sketch app. So now I'm going to write C and S. C and S stands for the color sensor, and color sensor equals 60, and then T stands for the target. And the target equals 60, but yours would be different. And then now we are going to do math. 60 minus 60 equals 0, right? So what's 0 times 5? 0 times 5, whatever multiplied by 0, it's always 0. So now we're gonna do 70 minus 60, and 70 stands for, basically 70 is what, like example, if the robot does not, it went on when it's going on the line, it changes to a different number, like 70, and then it will minus 60 from that number, and then it'll equals, and 70 minus 60 equals 10, and then 10 times 5 equals 50. Okay, so now I'm going to go back to the graph that I did earlier, and now basically if it sees a higher number or less number than 60, then it'll just keep going. It's going to keep finding it's going to keep going right and keep finding the line back, and when it finds the line, it'll keep following the line again like this, and then lose the line, then it circles in the right, and then it goes back to the line. And that's all for today, guys. Thanks for watching, and if you want to know more about the code that we just did today, just comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button. If you want to see more of my videos, click on that give me a big thumbs up. And if you want, you can follow me on Insta and Facebook, and that's it. So have a great day. Bye.